Hello everyone, this is Neha Sharma, your English language teacher. Today in this video, we are going to discuss very important topic, and the name of the topic is one word substitution. So dear students, I'll advise you to learn these words by heart so that you can use them in your writing and speaking both. This will be one plus point in your vocabulary too, because you know how many words are there in a vocabulary that creates a good impression, right? So I advise you to learn the new words from wherever you are getting. Okay, so let's start today's video. The first word today we have to discuss, that is immigrant. I'm speaking the word once again, that is immigrant. I-M-M-I-G-R-A-N-T, immigrant. Okay, because whenever we speak, the pronunciation should be accurate. So it is immigrant. It is I-M-M-I-G-R-A-N-T. It is what? One who comes to a country from his own, right? From his own country. You may just complete it like this, from his own country. Okay. So one who comes to a country from his own country, that person is known as immigrant. I-M-M-I-G-R-A-N-T, immigrant. Next, second is emigrant. It is emigrant. The spelling of this emigrant is E-M-I. Listen the difference between both of the words. It is immigrant and the second one is emigrant. Okay, so emigrant is the opposite, is the antonym of this first one. A person who leaves his country to settle another. So that is known as emigrant, right? Suppose we Indian have a great courage to go to foreign countries, especially in foreign countries like Canada, Australia, right? So if we Indian go to Canada to settle there, to to live there, so that we are known as emigrant. But if someone is coming to our country to live here in India, he or she is known as immigrant. Okay, someone is coming to our country, that is immigrant. But if someone is going to another country, that is emigrant, right? Next one is feminist. The third word is feminist. Speak feminist. F-E-M-I-N-I-S-T. So feminist is a person who does some work for the welfare of the women. Okay, a person who works for the welfare of women. This W-O-M-E-N, this word is known as, or this is spoken as women. W-O-M-E-N, women. And when we speak W-O-M-A-N, that is woman. Woman, what is it? Woman and women. Okay, so this is plural, and W-O-M-A-N, woman, that is singular. So the feminist is a person who works for the welfare of women. Next one is illiterate. It is I-L-L-I-T-E-R-A-T-E. I hope you know the meaning of this. A person who cannot read and write, that is called illiterate. Okay, so the person who does not know reading and writing is known as illiterate. Next is introvert. Introvert, you must have seen many people around you, your friends may be of this quality, introvert. Okay, and the opposite of this is extrovert. Extrovert, introvert. Right now we are concentrating on the meaning of introvert, and extrovert you will get yourself. So introvert is a person who does not express himself or herself freely, right? A person who does not express himself or herself freely, जो बहुत शर्मीला टाइप का होता है, जो कुछ बोलता ही नहीं किसी के सामने, एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पाता अपने फीलिंग्स को, अपने थॉट्स को, और उसके मन में क्या चल रहा है. सो दैट इज़ नोन एज इंट्रोवर्ट. लेकिन जो एक्सप्रेस कर देता है सभी चीज़ों को, फ्रीली बोलता है, सो दैट इज़ नोन एज एक्सट्रोवर्ट. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट वन इज फैटलिस्ट. इट इज़ व्हाट? Fatalist. F-A-T-A-L-I-S-T. So fatalist is the person who believes in faith. ठीक है, कि जो किस्मत में होगा वो हो जाएगा. So उस तरह का जो इंसान है, that is known as fatalist. What is it? Fatalist. fatalist. Fatalist, a person who believes in faith. Next is optimist. Optimist. You are familiar with this word, optimist. So who is having a positive side, a positive thinking for something, right? The bright side, who is just voting for the bright side of something, जो किसी पॉजिटिविटी की तरफ सोचता है. सो दैट टाइप ऑफ पर्सन इज नोन एज ऑप्टिमिस्ट. एंड द अपोजिट, जो हमेशा नेगेटिव ही नेगेटिव सोचता रहता है, दैट इज नोन एज पेसिमिस्ट. ओके, सो ऑप्टिमिस्ट इज अ पर्सन हु थिंक्स positively. So that is called optimist, and opposite of this is pessimist. Pessimist. And when we talk about the spelling of optimist, it is Optimist. So just take the screenshot of these 7, and once again I am telling you the pronunciation. The first one is immigrant, IMMIGRANT, immigrant. Second one is emigrant, EMIGRANT, emigrant. Third one is feminist, it's feminist. Fourth one is illiterate, speak with me, illiterate. Next is introvert, and the opposite is extrovert. Fatalist, who believes in faith. Optimist, and the opposite of this optimist is pessimist. Clear? So let's talk about the next one for today, that is sadist. It is sadist, SADIST. So sadist doesn't mean a person who remains sad, but a person who feels pleasure to hurt others. That is called, that type of person is known as sadist, SADIST, sadist. A person who remains happy in hurting others, right? When he says someone happy, so that time he becomes sad. Okay, so it is what? Sadist, a person who remains happy, who feels pleasure in hurting someone. That is known as sadist. Next one is agnostic. It is agnostic, AGNOSTIC, agnostic. It is a person who is not sure about God's existence. कई बार बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं जो बिलीव नहीं करते कि पता नहीं भगवान है कि नहीं है. सो दैट टाइप ऑफ पर्सन इज नोन एज एग्नोस्टिक. ओके, और कई बार हम भी एग्नोस्टिक हो जाते हैं, जो विश्वास करते हैं कि भगवान है. कई बार जब हम बहुत ज़्यादा सैड हो जाते हैं तो हम भी शायद यही फीलिंग करते हैं कि पता नहीं भगवान है भी कि नहीं, राइट? लेकिन जो पर्सन को हमेशा से ही डाउट होता है on the existence of God, that person is known as agnostic. Okay, agnostic. Next is amateur. It is amateur, 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 amateur. Amateur is a person who does a thing for his pleasure, not as his profession. Okay, suppose मैं टीचिंग के अलावा कुछ और अगर काम कर रही हूँ तो दैट इज़ नॉट माई प्रोफेशन. माई प्रोफेशन इज़ टीचिंग. लाइक इफ़ आई एम डूइंग सम कुकिंग और समथिंग लाइक दैट, सो दैट इज़ व्हाट, दैट इज़ नॉट माई एग्जैक्ट profession, right? Means as a female, it is my duty to do this cooking and all that. But if I'm doing that for pleasure only, so that is known as amateur. Okay, professionally if I am not doing anything, so that is amateur. One who does a thing for the pleasure, not for a profession, that's called amateur. Next is atheist. It is what? Atheist, ATHEIST, atheist. What is it? Atheist, ATEIST, atheist. A person who does not believe in God, जिसको बिल्कुल विश्वास नहीं होता भगवान में, तो that is known as atheist. Next is very interesting word, debonair. It is debonair. D-E-B-O-N-A-I-R. Debonair. Debonair is a confident and stylish person. A confident and a stylish person is known as debonair. Next is invincible. It is invincible. It is not invisible. Invincible. I-N-V-I-N-C-I-B-L-E. Invincible means one who is too strong to be defeated, जिसको हराना नामुमकिन होता है, बहुत strong होता है. So that is known as invincible. Okay, next is misanthrope. It is M-I-S-A-N-T-H-R-O-P-E, misanthrope. That is one who hates mankind. राइट जिसको ह्यूमन से ही प्रॉब्लम होती है. सो दैट इज नोन एज मिसैंथ्रोप, जिसको अच्छा ही नहीं लगता है ह्यूमन मैनकाइंड, दैट इज कॉल्ड मिसैंथ्रोप. M-I-S-A-N-T-H-R-O-P-E. एंड द अपोजिट ऑफ दिस इज philanthropist. Philanthropist. It's P-H-I-L-A-N-T-H-R-O-P-I-S-T. So both of them are antonyms. Okay, philanthropist and misanthrope. So misanthrope is who hates mankind and philanthropist is a person who loves mankind or one who loves mankind. And the last word for today, okay, so the next word, the last for today is veteran. V-E-T-E-R-A-N. Veteran. V-E-T-E-R-A-N. Veteran. Okay, veteran is one in a person who has a long experience in one occupation. So dear students, these were some of the one word substitutions which you have to learn for examination too and to improve your English too. Thank you very much for today. Stay studious, stay healthy, stay happy.